Welcome to Ljubljana. We arrived there with a short train trip from Graz, Austria. I personally had a hard time pronouncing the name at first. Ljubljana is Slovenia's capital and largest city of Slovenia. It's known for its university population and green spaces, including expansive Tivoli Park. Ljubljana, with a population of almost 300,000, is one of the smallest European capitals. It is never crowded, but also never boring. 50,000 university students give it its youthful appeal. And as an economic and cultural hub of Slovenia, it has a lot to offer to the locals and the visitors alike. The curving Ljubljanica River, lined in outdoor cafes, divides the city's old town from its commercial hub. It is located on the Ljubljanica River. City lies in the central Slovenia and surrounded by the high peaks of the Julian Alps. In 1991, when Slovenia gained its independence, Ljubljana became the national capital. Ljubljana is dominated by the medieval fortress, which dates from the 12th century. The old quarter of the city lies between the fortress and the river. It is really vibrant and full of life around the promenade of the river. From the top of the hill next to the castle, you can have a beautiful and panoramic view of the city. Interestingly, Ljubljana is located at the intersection of the major European transportation routes, halfway between Vienna and Venice, the two V's. The city, interestingly, is full of former Soviet communist-style buildings, obviously given its history. We spend a really good amount of time walking almost every corner of the capital. And with this city, we ended our trip at the north and the central and headed to our first city of Italy, Verona. Now let's take a look at some photos. The following photos have been taken with Fuji X-T20 and edited in SilkyPix Developer Studio Pro with Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! I'm excited about this. I see you in Italy.